Collected a plug.
Real hot girl shit.
Real ass bitch, give a
Hot
fuck.
Barbie summer.
What Juicy say?
Real,
Like,
real ass bitch,
Don't
give a
run
fuck.
from
Got a
me,
nigga.
free.
real
Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be installing a 360 wig. So I'm just going ahead and showing you guys how I braid. I'm showing you guys the length that I do and basically how I go. This is a wig, so this is kind of how I would braid my client's hair if they was getting a full lace wig, a lace front wig, any wig install. And also this is how I would braid their hair for a frontal sewing. I'm just braiding everything straight back. Now that I've finished braiding her hair, I'm taking my She's Bomb Edge Control and I'm just going ahead and slicking back her edges. This is basically, I just do this to protect any small edges or any small hairs that she have laid against her head. I like to slit everything back. Now I'm going to be taking my stocking cap. I can't remember the particular brand of sneeze stocking caps that I use, but I will find out in the list below. And now I'm taking the makeup powder, which is of her color. I applied that on her lace, and then I take my Ghost Bond and I Ghost Bond glue down the ends, the edges of the cap. I like to do this routine because to me the cap does not end up sliding back. And after that, I just take my razor and I just go ahead and I clean it off and cut it off with my razor. So this wig is from OMGqueen Hair. So this is a 360 Jerry curl wig and the inches 22 inches, and now I'm just going to begin to cut off her ear tabs. So now after I finish cutting off the ear spaces, I'm just going to go ahead and part her hair in the middle. She is doing a side part today, but I just like to part it in the middle because that's what helps me put it on evenly and neat. So now I'm just cutting off the lace with my razor, and I don't go any particular way. I just skim through it with my razor and it kind of gives it a jagged look. So now I'm going to be using my Ghost Bond glue, and I'm going to be using two layers of my Ghost Bond glue. I usually like to do, if you watched my videos before, then you know I like to glue 3 parts, but sometimes depending on the speed that I'm trying to go to, and if I'm in a rush or if I'm trying to move faster than usual, I might just do the whole thing instead of just splitting up by 3. So I am going ahead and just gluing the whole thing, and I am going to be using 2 layers of Ghost Bond. So now I'm going to go ahead and begin to apply the lace since it's dried clear, and I'm just going in and lightly tapping it in because the glue is still pretty wet. So I'm lightly tapping it in. You guys make sure you don't tap it in too hard if the glue is really wet. This will make it have a white look. It'll actually get clumpy and real gross. I'm just going in any corners that isn't fully laid down by the glue, and this is what will basically help you have flawless baby hairs and a flawless install. Always make sure that the whole perimeter of your lace is fully glued down and there aren't no pieces that are lifting up because it's not glued down. I'm gonna go ahead and begin to part her hair. I'm just going to be parting it into like a nice deep side part, and after that I'm going to begin to do her baby hairs. As for her baby hairs, I am going in the same routine that I always go in. I use a baby hairs toothbrush, I cut it with a razor, and the gel that I'm going to be using is She's Bomb Collection Bomb Glue. This is like the main gel that I use. I haven't found anything that works better for me, so for now I will always be using She's Bomb Collection Bomb Glue Gel. Y'all, like, I literally lived for these baby hairs, so keep on watching, y'all. I'm really gonna give her some baby hairs. this is how she likes them, so this is how I did them. Like, my girl Sammy loves the baby hairs. So now I'm on my last little baby hair for this side, which is the little sideburn. I'm not going to spray her hair with some Isotope oil sheen, and I'm going to take my blow dryer, which I have on cool air, and I'm just blowing it out and making sure all the baby hairs are dry and none is lifted up. Now I'm going to go ahead and begin by doing the next side of her face and her baby hairs. So now I'm just about finished, y'all. I told y'all these baby hairs was on swim. I'm loving these baby hairs. So now I'm going to have her hold the back, and I'm going to just take my razor and cut off that extra lace. And then I'm going to use the straps that's in the back of the wig, and I'm just going to clamp those together. You guys always ask me what I do, and basically that is what I do to the back of the straps. Now I'm taking my Care wax stick, and I'm just going to be parting out her hair and slicking it out with my hot stick, and I'm basically just defining the part more and making it more sleek and pretty. So now that I've defined the part, I'm just going in with my hands and pulling out her curls and making the hair bigger. I'm going to be going in with my mousse. I can't remember the name of this mousse, but I'm going to find out for you guys. And I'm just going to be moussing it. I don't have any noodle head on me, so it was really a struggle. And now I'm taking my water and spraying her hair. Y'all, look at my mom sucking on kennep. Like, look at her. She's enjoying my kennep. Jamaican people call it ganep, but Haitian people call it kennep. So yeah, it's that little fruit that they sell on the street. So now I'm taking some more mousse, and I did spray some water on her hair, and I'm just really combing it through and going through it with my fingers and making sure everything is just lush. It's luscious. Yes, so now this is the final look, y'all, and I am feeling it. Make sure you guys check out OMGqueen hair for some bomb affordable hair. This hair laid so perfect. It blended in with her skin so great, and it was just so nice and pretty. Thank you guys for watching. Comment down below some styles you guys want to see and what else you guys want to see on my client series. Bye.